Hi everyone, in this video we will talk about how we can append three different Excel files from three different folders into just one Excel file. We will use Power Query with the append function to get the job done. So let's see the three files. We have here three folders. In each of them we have one Excel file, February in the first, March in the second folder, and April in the third one. And the final result is this. We will get the three of them combined because February has this data, March this, and April this. So the final one will be this. And it will be live, meaning that if we modify one of the files, we just refresh it and we get the new data. So let's get started. We create a new Excel file. Okay, open it. And we go to import the three files. So we go to data, from file from Excel. Okay, we go to the first folder, February. We import, but we only create connection. Okay, select it, load to. We do not load the table because we will load the table when we will have all the three combines. Okay, so only the connection. We go again to from file, the second folder, March. Okay, load to, only create connection. Perfect. And the third file, we go to the third folder, April, import, only create connection. Okay, and now we have all the three folders imported. Now what we want to do, we just select one of them, no matter what file, and go to append queries. Append, okay, two or three or more tables. We have three tables, but we can have no matter how many. So we select all the files from the left and add it to the right. Okay, and now as you see, we have the data combined. We go to close and load. Okay, so we have it here. Now if we want to import it in the Excel, now we can go to the query, load to, and instead of only create connection, we choose table. And now we have the data. Okay, let's make it bigger. So now to prove that it is live, we will go to the February folder and we modify the data. Okay, we will cut two zeros. Okay, so we go to February. How we cut two zeros? We say 100, select, paste, paste special, divide. Okay, and we have divided it. We delete this and we save the file. We go back and now we just press refresh and you see our data has updated. So this is the method that you use when you have the files in different folders. If you have the Excel files in the same folder, you use the other technique, combine files from the same folder that I have shown you in another video. The link is on the screen. I hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.